I remember day first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juices intake, therefore the smiley faces from these sliding, gliding.
What's up? So, as I mentioned in the last video, I thought it would be a good idea to show you the space that we're living in at the moment. It'd be cool to show you guys a little bit of what a day actually looks like, and so tomorrow I think I'm going to do that. It's currently 6:30 and I'm just waking up. Morning cacao. It's cold.
Not putting out, is it?
Nah.
Oh, you're wetting me!
It's probably raining. Yeah. Anyway, this is what we have to do to get into the ice bath every time. We have to hop across the fence because our place is not where the ice bath is. I normally hit a bit of a stretch in the morning, but to be honest, I've just been waking up and going straight to work and locking in literally like 15 minutes after I wake up, after the cacao. Don't mind this bit of water. But yeah, I've heard a lot about kind of just jumping right into work when you're in a bit of a sleepy state. It kind of actually gets you into a bit of a flow before picking up a phone, before really doing much at all, just being able to like go and lock in on your highest leverage, most important tasks. And I've been doing that for like an hour or two in the morning before I actually even, like now, jump up and do an ice bath. I'm gonna have breakfast and a couple other things, and it's really helped. It's actually been so productive. I feel like I've dropped into like a real flow state when I go into things straight away after I'm out of bed. And so yeah, it's been great. Would highly recommend giving it a go. It's currently raining and we're meant to be playing paddle later today, so I don't know how that's gonna go down. Fingers crossed the courts aren't too wet and slippery, because that would suck. But yeah, it's not looking good. Oh yeah.
It's in?
It's officially the end of summer. It's the first day of autumn today, and wait.
Yeah, autumn.
Yeah, autumn. Just had to confirm that with the seasons, but we are going down to the local Leighton to do a little bit of a yoga and stretch. There's this ice bath day that's on, International Ice Bath Day, so happy ice bath to all the ice bathers out there. And yeah, we're just gonna go have a swim, have a stretch, and have a bit of sunshine. It's the Transperth 72649XL train coming through. We've got at the gate. It's amazing. This is going to be an experience. Whoa! Wow!
I have always wanted to see this train.
It's about 1 million people going down here.
What a morning.
Let's go.
Hey,
Apparently we're not meant to put ice in the pools, but everyone has put ice in the pools.
It's too late now.
well, it's only going to get cold. Yeah, exactly.
I think that's recording. I think it's recorded. I think it's recorded.
You're doing so well.
Focus on the breath. Slow inhale. Let's go!
And that's what we like.
Next level, put those hands in.
You're halfway there.
Hovering out of the water, you can get them in.
You're halfway there, everybody. Halfway. Do so well.
just finished wrapping up the potty with Ryan. You. Ryan is here. Bowie.
The wingman.
Crew is chilling.
He's reading the
Whole fam is in here.
album.
It's got
Album list. Made by Tess. 10 out of 10.
Let's see.
it's a little poo in a cup.
Yeah, Liam doesn't read it.
Got some Mexican coming on.
Let's throw this up.
How do we just quickly? Do we want
It's the colour, isn't it?
also talk about some stuff with you? Throw it back and have a chat, or is it try and steer away from?
No.
That a little bit. Podcast coming in soon. I'll link it down below.
Tell us.
All of his secrets.
What are you putting in there?
You can eat it. Look, do you want to put nut?
Yeah!
Yeah.
You want to say basket?
In terms of like health conscious and like.
That's it. But even the weather makes it hard. I was going to say, I think warmer countries lend itself more to like outdoor markets and stuff.
The opposite side of that though is like there's so many farms there, and there is like farms that are doing like more.
Doesn't he get you locked in?
Locked in.
That's
Very hard. And very hard. It's my over me. I am very hard. Locked in hard, but you don't know
what's on
what
that screen? What's on that screen? What's it?
It's actually a bit of ChatGPT
Oh
going.
yeah.
But ChatGPT gets the one.
There's Flynn, not feeling too good.
Locked in. Belly's not locked in.
There's Rach, she's making bank. There's Joe.
Looking yank.
And you'll be looking back at this table in years' time.
And that's me.
Big ideas started here.
And now Liam's upside down. What?
I just came back from a gig and it's pretty late here, but I thought I wanted to sit down and talk about this because it was on my mind and I wanted to share it. A little story time, but 10 years ago I was a little young kid, 14, 15 years old, and I went to my first ever show, which was a Ziggy Albert show. Before he even came on, there was this song that started playing at the start of the show, just as everyone's piling in and getting ready. And it struck a chord with me straight away, so much so that I was just like, wow, what is this song? And I said it out loud. A girl in front of me that I didn't even know turned around and she said, this is Window to the Sky by Kim Churchill. And I was like, wow, that is incredible. This is such an amazing song. Fast forward to now, I just came back from shooting Kim's show. Good friends, and there's so many of the Perth crew that I also am friends with, the musicians and the community, the people that are running the events, and it just feels like one big family. And it just makes me think that it really is nice to be able to have things that go full circle, from being a little kid who just loved hearing a song and loved hearing music, to being able to work with the people directly that have made that impact on my life at a young age. It's really special, and I think it's just really cool to be able to have full circle moments in your life like that. Music really does make the world go round. There is nothing that makes you feel quite like music does, and live music is another level on top of that. And so very grateful for full circle moments like this, and to be a part of a world where creativity, joy, love can be expressed at such high levels and be impacting so many different people. So yeah, good job. Get it done. Pass the baton.
Boogie mates. That was actually a terrible way to take it. Mecca, come on. It is.
It is Sunday and I have just made a little cacao. Been to the farmers markets and got a bunch of fruit and veg for the week, which is great. And now I'm actually just getting on with some work. So I'm here at home, the light is beautiful, and I was about to light this incense and I thought I would just do it on camera because it's so aesthetic. So some meditation music playing. And I'm just gonna lock in here for an hour or two, get some journaling, some thoughts down, and then into some locked in work. So happy Sunday. My one is a bit of a calm one here at Siska Lane, very chill. So seriously, guys, get on the cacao. No coffee for me. Just a bit of this chocolate juice. You.
Is about specifically for us in business, it's like a lot of people have friends that don't really understand.
He's the biggest fan
I
of
think it'll be around.
Yeah, well, we had Europe
Yeah.
in May, and then again in
But I'd love to know how this is gonna happen.
Same year as the last 4 days.
Yeah, that's There's one thing.
Like I've been flicking through to like see what I've like put down in the past and being like, that's such a good idea. But at the time I like did have no merit to it.
Three amigos back at it.
Oh, what up? In Mexico, mate.
What's good?
I remember they first came in that room filled with sun rays, with gin juices intake. Therefore the smiley faces from